Last year November, I relocated to Bangalore for work. New city, new job, but the same cycle. Weekdays blurred into weekends, and soon boredom started knocking in. I needed an escape, so something inside me nudged. Is there a place nearby where I can vibe in and explore? That's when Mysore popped up, a city I once planned to visit back in 2023, just 2 to 3 hours from Bangalore. This heritage historical city is full of stories, royalty, and much more. अरे इंडिया की 75% सैंडलवुड and 65% सिल्क यही से तो आती है। और सिर्फ यही नहीं, यहाँ की मैलारी डोसा और मैसूर पाक भी कुछ कम फेमस नहीं है। यही पे तो किया था माँ दुर्गा ने महिषासुर का वध। And how Mysore celebrates Dussehra is another attraction for people around the world. And thus, the sandalwood capital of India, city of palaces, and cultural capital of Karnataka. It has so many nicknames, and I feel each one is adding a new layer to its identity. Well, choosing the place was easy, पर इस बार की सबसे बड़ी challenge तो ये थी कि किसके साथ जाए. Yes, I never had to think like this before, but last 1 year, 2024, was really exhausting for me. A year full of hurdles, one of those years that drains you mentally, physically, and emotionally. And in that chaos, I lost my energy to travel solo, something that once made me feel alive. And honestly, I was scared. Not scared of traveling alone, but scared of not being the same old Shraddha who once thrived in it. Would I still talk to strangers like they were old friends? Would I still find joy in the little surprises that solo travel brings? Or would I stay quiet, reserved, watching the world pass me by? While searching for places to visit in Mysore, I stumbled upon videos of solo female travelers, confident, carefree, and alive. It stirred something in me. A thought whispered, why not again? But none of my friends were free, so I hesitated. Yet, with a sigh and smile, I booked the bus, thinking, jo hoga, dekha jayega. And in early morning of a first long weekend in January, I managed to catch the bus from Satellite bus stand at around 7 o'clock in the morning. And through a beautiful highway drive, I reached Mysore by 11. Mysore greeted me like an old soul, busy, beautiful, and buzzing with stories. I booked an Uber. Yes, Uber and Ola works pretty well here, and reached my hostel, which was Zostel, in just 4 minutes. The reception was filled with strangers, and yet I felt like the outsider. Where once I'd strike up a conversation effortlessly, now I hesitated. Was I really back to square one? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. भूल तो नहीं गए ना मुझे एक साल में. मतलब मैं खुद बिलीव नहीं कर पा रही. I resumed vlogging after 1 year. बहुत कुछ हुआ 2024 में. 2024 was one hell of a year. That's another story. This is second weekend of 2025, Jan 2025. तो अभी यहाँ पे मैसूर में आई हुई हूँ घूमने के लिए. I landed in Mysore with many questions and self-doubts. But magic happens when you least expect it. I had a 6-bed female dorm room booked for myself, where I was the first guest for that day. But soon, I met Naina and Yamuna, 2 sisters from Chennai, and Priya, who was an NRI from Australia with her roots from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, as my roommates. In just few minutes, we were laughing, sharing stories, making spontaneous plans. And in that moment, I felt like my fears were melting away, and my old carefree self, the one who loved adventures and new connections, was reawakened. So we are all set, ready and set for our day 1 ka travel. And look, I'm traveling with today. She is Priya. Hello. Priya, right? Naina. She. I'm Yamuna. Okay, so we all are roommates for 1 day in Mysore. And it's lovely to meet. Actually, this is the charm of traveling, and I think traveling all over or traveling solo. We just met 1 hour back, and we are traveling. We made a whole plan for 2 days. Lovely. Enjoying, right?
Yeah, yes.
So good. Okay, so our first spot for today is Mailari dosa, Vinayaka Mailari dosa. By the way, don't get misleaded because इस नाम से बहुत सारे डोसा पॉइंट्स है यहाँ पे. तो this is the original one. We are starting our day with some पेट पूजा now. ओल्ड ओरिजिनल विनायका मैलारी डोसा. मैसूर में डोसा के लिए एक खास जाने माने नाम. Since 1938, this place has been a favorite of locals, politicians, celebrities, tourists, travelers from all over the world, and now of course the creators, vloggers, influencers. और आप भी अगर ये सोचते हैं कि नॉर्मल मसाला डोसा एंड मैसूर डोसा में क्या फ़र्क है, like I used to think before I tried this dosa, then this place in Mysore should be your one-stop destination to try out the softest, most buttery and the best Mysore dosa you'll ever have in life. यहाँ मिलता तो सब कुछ है, बट ये जगह मैसूर डोसा के लिए इतना पॉपुलर है कि वेटर्स डोंट इवन आस्क यू व्हाट डू यू वांट, दे विल जस्ट कम विद अ प्लेट ऑफ डोसा इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू विद देयर ओरिजिनल होममेड बटर ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, बिकॉज एवरीवन नोज दैट पीपल कम हियर फॉर ओनली मैसूर डोसा. Yeah, looks very good. Size is a little bit small, but compared to other dosas. Let's have my first bite and see how is it. The Mysore's famous dosa got many recommendations for this.
Nice, right?
Actually good.
It's just really soft and just melts in your mouth.
Actually melts in our mouth.
Actually, जो ये
Soft.
dosa भी है, it's a bit more thick. थोड़ा thicker है compared to
Other dosa.
like normal dosa. वो थोड़ा पापड़ी है, like it's more papered. This is really more thick.
फिलिंग में भी मसाला डोसाज में यूजुअली आलू एंड उसका फिलिंग रहता है. इसमें इट्स द फिलिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी डिफरेंट, लाइक प्याज का है विद सम मसाला.
Some carrots.
Carrots are also there.
Very light.
Flavor is different. Yeah, light also.
Cheers.
Cheers. Lunch के बाद we did not have a strict plan, but me and Priya wanted to explore some more legendary food joints of Mysore and also check out the handicraft and silk emporium for sandalwood and silk. While Nana and Yamuna wanted to see the palace first. हम ऑटो देखने ही वाले थे कि तभी हमें मैलारी डोसा के सामने आयुब भाई मिल गए. वही आयुब खान जिनको मैं देसी गर्ल ट्रैवलर के मैसूर वाले व्लॉग में देख चुकी थी. वो खुद से सामने आके खुशी खुशी हमें घुमाना चाहते थे, तो हम भी चल पड़े उनके साथ और पहुंचे इसके बाद कावेरी सिल्क एम्पोरियम में. Mysore being the largest producer of sandalwood in India and one of the largest exporters in the world, so the emporiums here have huge collections of sandalwood, starting from intricately carved furnitures, idols and statues, to beauty and skincare products to incense sticks and cones. The collection is huge with all things sandalwood and natural. और यहाँ की silk, well, that needs no introduction. Mysore silk here starts from 2.5k and can range up to lakhs. That's depending on the kind of threads used, method of making it, and the intricacy of work in it.
सारी से ये पश्मीना की सिल्क है क्या?
पश्मीना शॉल है ना, शॉल उसका वर्क बना हुआ है. मैसूर सिल्क में साड़ी का ऊपर वर्क बना हुआ है.
ये कितने का है?
28. This color is also coming in, also very pretty.
ये बहुत अच्छा है.
हमारा मैसूर फूड टूर अभी भी बाकी था, तो इसके बाद हम मैसूर बाजार में गए बिकॉज वी हैड टू ट्राई द ब्राह्मण सोडा फैक्ट्री बिकॉज दिस इज अनदर लेजेंडरी एंड एवरीवन's फेवरेट प्लेस इन मैसूर व्हेन इट कम्स टू द टेस्ट्स ऑफ मैसूर. They are mainly known for their fresh, pure juices and shakes that looks as well as tastes healthy. Sarsaparilla. Among all the other options, this name is unique and popular here, which is basically a medicinal plant drink. So I had to see how that tastes and why is it so popular here.
अच्छे हैं, like these are really cute places to visit, है ना? It's like a little cultural tour.
मैसूर जाके मैसूर पाक ना खाना is just like मुंबई जाके वड़ा पाव ना खाना, कोलकाता जाके रसगुल्ला ना खाना, and दिल्ली जाके चाट्स ना खाना. So for the Mysore Pak, we went to the iconic and legendary Guru Sweets. Now we are at Guru Sweets, another famous spot for another famous delicacy over here. यहाँ पे मैसूर पाक बहुत फेमस है. अच्छा, एक बार ये कैसे बनता है बता सकते हैं? बेसन और क्या बेसन, शक्कर, इलायची और घी भी डलता है क्या?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. So that's how it is made.
Actually, this is our specialty in our channel.
Yeah, this is specialty.
Salai.
Do you have any varieties of this or is it only
7 types is there.
7 types?
Cashew, badam, milk, dry fruit, milk, jaggery, vanaspati and ghee.
Okay.
Totally 7.
So this is the original one, right?
Yes, 100%.
Cheers. You heard the recipe, right? It's just besan, sugar and ghee and a little bit of ilaichi. All those flavors are bursting out in fact in one bite.
It's really yummy. काफी oily है, but
Oily nahi, it's basically ghee.
घी है, हाँ.
And that is not melting. That is not harmful. It is good only. Desi ghee hai na, it's good. St. Philomena's Church, also known as St. Joseph's Church, was our next stop for the day. It's a cathedral of Dukes of Mysore, constructed in 1936 during the reign of Maharaja Krishnaraja Vadedar IV. This majestic neo-Gothic cathedral is known for its airy sanctuary, stained glass, and soaring twin spires. Also, this is where me and Priya connected the most over some unfiltered conversations about life, love, family, relationships, divine experiences, and much more. While we barely had any energy left for the day, this particular time felt so peaceful and relaxing that we didn't want to move anywhere else, but we couldn't miss the Mysore Palace and its gorgeous night lighting. So we dragged ourselves to have a beautiful evening in Mysore Palace. So the palace entry was closed by 5:30, but now it's 5:30 and 7 बजे फिर खुलने वाला है because it's a Sunday and we are going to see the light and sound show and बहुत सारे lights जैसे मैसूर पैलेस में लाइट से सजा जाता है वो होगा आज. So that happens on every Sunday, so we are going to see that. तो अभी 5:30 बजे क्लोज होके फिर 7 बजे खुलने वाली है ना. Hello. We now got in from the exit gate because entry gate तो बंद हो रखा था and अभी बाहर से premises में allowed है, तो यहीं पे बैठ के हम लोग थोड़ा चिट चैट करेंगे कुछ देर. 7 बजे तक टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे. And we also met Naina and Yamuna again. Naina.
Wait, did you know that Mysore Palace is the second most visited tourist site in India after the Taj Mahal?
Today I can say.
जी हाँ, this is a fact. जितने लोग पैलेस बंद होने के बाद भी प्रीमाइसेस के अंदर फोटो खिंचवा रहे थे, बैठे हुए थे, वेट कर रहे थे just to see those 97 bulbs to illuminate the palace at night was insane. And that gorgeous lighting of Mysore Palace at night was definitely worth all the waiting time and hype. So you can catch this grand lighting of Mysore Palace on every Sundays, public holidays and Dussehra.
Yeah, it was, and I'm always used to with traveling with strangers and also I thought that okay, I will get a few others in the dome and probably we'll be roaming together. I guessed it and that actually happened. Yeah.
I really enjoyed the soda factory. Being from Sydney, Australia, I haven't really seen a juice bar like that. And you could definitely tell it was very historical, even just the way that they were making all the drinks in the back. I got like a little, sneak peek and I thought it was really cool. I also just loved the lunch dosa that we had. That was in what I would say bussin'. We say bussin'. And just generally, like, the vibes have been really good and, really great company, of course. Yeah, I know, just like, look at that. Like, what the hell? How are we sitting in front of this right now? Are we in India or in Europe? Like, it's...
Yeah.
No, it's beautiful. No, we're in India. It's beautiful. And, so I'm just feeling really grateful.
Okay, so we are at our last spot for the day, which is RRR Hotel. Since 1982. 90 पुराना होटल है and this famous for biryani here. तो हम लोग अभी डिनर करके यहाँ पे आज का दिन ख़त्म करने वाले हैं. Let's try the biryani here. कैसा है? Like I have got many recommendations for this, so let's try this one. I know सारे famous जगह शायद खाने के लिए अच्छे नहीं होते, but मैसूर में ये लॉजिक काम तो नहीं करती है, क्योंकि हर एक famous spot starting from Vinayaka Mailari Dosa to Guru Sweets, Brahmin Soda Factory and ending with RRR Kitchen. हर एक का खाना पीना everything was like एक से बढ़कर एक था. Undoubtedly यहाँ पे पूरे दिन भीड़ लगी रहती है locals की, Indian as well as foreign travelers की. Basically they serve yummy Kerala food, but the Kerala style biryani here is the most popular one. And without a second thought, I can say this was the best South Indian biryani I had, even after trying Hyderabad biryani, Bangalore's biryani, Andhra biryani, everything. Okay, Priya, are you enjoying your thali?
Yeah, it's actually really yummy.
Thali, South Indian meal. It's your banana leaf. So she was skeptical about ordering this meal because she wanted to try biryani here and It's very disappointing that यहाँ पे रात को they don't serve veg biryani and she is veg. So we got chicken biryanis and she was skeptical about ordering the meal here. So you guys keep in mind अगर आप लोग veg हैं तो please दोपहर को आइएगा. रात को veg biryani नहीं मिलता है, chicken biryany मिल गया.
But the veg meal is बहुत अच्छी है.
She is saying the veg meal is good, so you can try the veg meal here if you are veg.
Insta ID.
I do it on YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, sometimes I do it on Insta also, but I'm more active.
What is your YouTube channel name?
Shraddha Post.
Shraddha?
So we just wrapped up our day one in Mysore, and it was such a lovely, amazing day, and I mean a wholesome day it was. It's 9 o'clock. We have come back to our hostel, and look at this setup of our hostel, Mysore. We're going to sit here for some time now. So this has been our day one in Mysore, and with this pretty setup, and we are going to chill out some time here now until we sleep. I'm going to meet you tomorrow in day 2 in next vlog. So see you in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, be healthy, be happy, and keep following your dreams. Don't forget this. I did not forget my dreams. I was having a little bit of hard times, so I just took a pause. But yes, I'm back and I keep posting now. So see you soon.